Hey all, Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, I had a bit of time on my hands, so I thought I would share a couple of things about bug repellents, right? And ones that actually work. I'm outdoors quite a bit, and I am not a huge fan of mosquitoes, and the season is upon us, right? So, a couple of things you can do to treat mosquito bites, a couple of things you can do to avoid mosquito bites, and also a remedy to keep away spiders, other crawly creatures, mice, rats, and whatnot. Okay, so let's start with a natural treatment for mosquito bites. There is a plant that basically grows pretty much everywhere, right? And it's called plantain. In Latin, it's Plantago lanceolata, if you have this type, or for example, Plantago major, right? If you have this type. If you have a mosquito bite, the only thing you do is you pick a couple of these leaves, you crunch them, and you rub them on the spot. And I guarantee you that the itch will be gone literally within a minute, right? So that's something I do all the time. Now, that's great, but that's a treatment after the fact, right? So, what do you do to keep them away? Well, first of all, if you're in a campsite near water, you can have a lot of mosquitoes, but mosquitoes absolutely hate smoke, right? Now, a clean campfire doesn't make that much smoke, but what you can do is make a so-called, I think it's called a smog pot. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's basically a tin can or another container that holds coal that or embers that are still red hot, right? And you put some slightly damp material on it. So it's going to smoke like crazy, right? I put up two of these cans next to my hammock, and that will keep the majority of mosquitoes away. Now, what about other creepy crawlers? Well, a known fact is that mice and rats and so forth, they absolutely hate peppermint, right? And I don't like it either, to be honest. I mean, not to eat anyway. But what I found out is if you put some peppermint in a water bottle, right, either peppermint essence or actual peppermint, and you dissolve that in water in a spray bottle, and you spray that in areas where you expect spiders and whatnot, and you don't want them there, it helps big time. I use it around my house. My wife freaks out whenever she sees a spider, right? So at our entrance, we have this kind of overhang where there are always spiders. I'll take a spray bottle, I'll spray it down just lightly with peppermint essence, and I won't see a spider there for at least a month or two, right? So super, super effective. Now, let me know what you think, and if you have any other cool remedies for this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments. It's all about sharing, right? And that said, guys, I have a couple of Facebook groups that I invite you to join. One is all about self-reliance, herbalism, medicinal use of plants, all that kind of stuff. And the other one is all about hiking and bushcraft and outdoor stuff. So yeah, that's all below. Hopefully you enjoyed the short little video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.